The Magic Cubbies have a surprise for us today.
Can you use your hand to pull open the drawer? It's a boat!
With a note from Mama Duck. She lost her baby ducklings and needs our help.
Let's go find the baby ducklings and bring them back to Mama Duck.
I'm Pima.
And I'm Pico. Let's go!
Look, the boat floats on water.
Jump into the boat with us so we won't get wet in the lake.
But the boat isn't moving. We need an oar to make the boat move.
Can you help us find an oar?
There's the oar. Good job finding it.
Now use your hands to grab the oar and push the water away with it.
Look, we're moving. You're rowing our boat.
Oh, here comes a rock on our right side. Row to the left side away from the rock.
Phew! Now there are reeds on the left side. Dodge them by rowing to the right side.
That was close. Oh, I hear something sad.
It's the lost baby ducklings.
There are 3 of them.
Use your hands to gently put them in our basket to keep them safe.
Count with us. 1, 2, 3. We got all 3 of them.
Do you want to drive the farm truck to Mama Duck? Okay, push the green triangle button to turn on the truck.
Is it this one?
No, that's a red circle.
Is it this one?
No, that's an orange hexagon.
Here's the green triangle button. Let's push it with our finger. We did it.
Grab the steering wheel and steer us around the muddy puddles.
Turn left. Turn right. Turn left. Turn right. You found the farm.
Now we're at the farm. Let's go find Mama Duck.
Here's a mama.
But she's a mama pig. Is this your mama?
No, she's a mama cow. I hear quacking.
It's Mama Duck. She's so happy to see her baby ducklings.
And the baby ducklings are so happy to see their mama. You did a great job today rowing our boat, putting the ducklings in the basket, and driving the farm truck to find Mama Duck. Thank you.
It feels good to help others. For more learning stories, like and subscribe to Pima and Pico.